This year's EMO focused on production concepts based on Industry 4.0, digitalization and intelligent networking. Highlights presented by Beckhoff included pioneering products and technologies such as software tools for implementing cloud-supported production concepts, or integration of machine learning and image processing into the automation platform. The Beckhoff control platform combines CNC and IoT in a single system.
The
TwinCAT CNC system solutions are based on the integrated and open PC-based control technology from Beckhoff. Through the use of powerful industrial PCs as the hardware platform as well as EtherCAT-capable I/O and drive components, the TwinCAT CNC is scalable for all performance classes and suitable for all types of machine tools. As all-in-one CNC, TwinCAT CNC integrates PLC, motion control, CNC robotics, HMI and safety within one system. Beyond that, it is possible to use TwinCAT Vision to integrate image processing directly into CNC control and ensure its real-time capable use together with control functions. TwinCAT IoT and Analytics enable cloud-based automation and offer functionalities for the digitalized production.
The new interface standard, UMATI, which stands for Universal Machine Tool Interface, ensures secure data exchange along the entire process chain.
UMATI defines a global standard for the safe and effortless integration of machine tools and production facilities with IT systems in the factory environment. UMATI is an open standard based on an OPC UA companion specification, enabling individual mapping and transformation of parameters for customer and vendor-specific configurations of machine tools. Work on the UMATI specification was initiated by German Machine Tool Builders Association VDW with 17 project partners from the fields of machine building and automation. Beckhoff was involved from the start. The PC-based TwinCAT CNC with OPC UA UMATI interface is ideal for implementing edge devices with one of the compact industrial PCs, such as the C6015, which can be used in existing production facilities with UMATI communication.
At EMO, Beckhoff also presented its complete range of PC-based control technology, including highly scalable and high-performance industrial PCs, customer and industry-specific control panels, the complete modular I/O construction kit, and highly scalable drive technology.